Ba, ba, ba. Packing things that never seem so fine. Hi everyone, Isaac here from Wild Rock, here to talk to you about some wonderful travel tips to make your next adventure something special. When you're talking about packing and you're talking about traveling, one of the first things that you need to start thinking about is clothing. What are you gonna wear? What do you need? Now, when we're talking about traveling, there's a couple different materials and product that we like to think about. So one is going to be something like this, a merino wool shirt. Now, I know what you're saying. Wool, isn't that warm? Isn't that itchy? Isn't that scratchy? Well, merino wool is basically wool on steroids. It's all of the benefits of wool, but it's softer, plus it's antimicrobial, which means you don't have to wash it as often and it won't build up a smell. Now, the other great thing about products such as this is that they're quick dry. So if you're looking to go ultra light, you're able to wash it at night, leave it to hang and dry, and it'll be ready to wear for the next day. Another type of shirt that you can look at would be something like this. Now this is known as a sun shirt. The great part about it is that it's long sleeve and it provides a lot of skin protection. Now on top of that, the fabric itself is rated to a sun protection factor of 50. This means that regardless of whether you're out for a short period of time or a long period of time, you'll be protected, you won't get a sunburn. Now, if you're looking to do something that's a little bit more professional and you're looking for something that's a little bit more refined, you can look at something like this. Now, this shirt from Columbia is nice. As a button-up, it looks a little bit more stylish. It's also lightweight and a quick-dry material. So again, you get all of those technical benefits with something that you can wear to maybe a nice restaurant, etc. Starting to look at the pants. Again, a lot of the materials and a lot of the things that we've talked about already, one of the common threads to it is that it's quick-dry, it's light, it's breathable. Now, when we look at pants, those principles also apply. So in this case, we have this pair of Silver Edge pants from Columbia. Again, they're nice and lightweight, and one added advantage to them is that they have a long pant leg to it, but can also be unzipped so that you have shorts. So the versatility means that you're able to wear these as a more casual fancy pant, or you can wear it as a short on a beach or on a hike or something like that. Now, another thing that you need to start thinking about once we start moving out of the clothing is the accessory side of things. Now, one of my favorite travel pieces anytime I travel is a microfiber towel. The nice thing about a microfiber towel is that it's going to be lighter weight, more compact, and more absorbent than your traditional towel. Another travel hack is that if you've washed your clothing the night before, you can lie it in a microfiber towel, roll it up, and it'll help take that additional moisture out, making it so that your clothing will actually dry faster. And like some of the product that we've already talked about, most microfiber towels that we carry are also antimicrobial. So even if you have a little bit of moisture in them and you're packing them away, they won't have that smell buildup, which is always a good thing. Getting out of the towel side of things and into our wet weather protection, we have something like this, the Zeta LT from Arc'teryx. Now, rain shells such as this are fantastic because they're lightweight, durable, and very breathable. This makes them very versatile and allows you to use them in a variety of climates. So whether you're gonna go for a hike in a rainforest, hang out on a beach, or whether you're gonna go hiking through the mountains, this jacket will have you covered. Well, I hope you've learned a thing or two about traveling, and I hope that you'll think of Wild Rock for your next adventure. Have yourself a wonderful day.